Let's be honest for a moment. We've all made excuses not to exercise, and I hear them every single day as a Pilates instructor. But here's the truth. Some of these excuses are quietly holding you back even more than you think. Hi, I'm Maria. I've been teaching for over 20 years, and I also deal with scoliosis myself, so I understand both sides. Today I want to walk you through 5 most common excuses and what you can do instead. Excuse number 1, I don't have time. I hear this one all the time. I don't have time to roll my back, to lay on the roller, or get my leg up and stretch my hamstrings. But the truth is, you don't need an hour, but you do need consistency. Even 10 minutes a day, done regularly, can change how your body feels, how you move, and even your energy level. I see this with my clients every single week. Excuse number 2, I'm too tired. And I get this, life is busy, but movement actually gives you energy. The hardest part of it is starting. Once you begin, even gently, your body wakes up. You don't need an intense workout, you just need to move. Excuse number 3, I'm too old, or it's too late. This one is the biggest myth. Your body can adapt at any age. I work with clients in their 70s and 80s, and they get stronger, more stable, and more confident. It's never too late to start. Excuse number 4, I don't know what to do. And honestly, that's fair. There is so much information out there that you can get lost. But you don't need complicated routines. Start simple, walking, stretching, gentle mobility. That's exactly why I created these videos, to make it easier for you. Excuse number 5, I'm in pain. This one is real, but avoiding movement completely can actually make things worse. The key is the right kind of movement, safe, controlled, and appropriate for your body. That's where the guidance matters. If you feel like you need to reach out to me, we can talk about one-on-one sessions. I'll be happy to help. Your body doesn't need perfection, it needs mobility. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll be surprised what your body can do. If this helped you, follow along. I share simple, safe ways to help you move better and feel stronger at any age. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe.